Hello, what's going on, everyone? There are so many questions from the internet, in the Google, in the YouTube about how do I delete duplicate in Excel. So, in this video, I'm going to help you dealing with this problem. We have two ways to delete duplicates in Excel. So, the first thing that we need to do is let's put the data. Okay, so let's prepare the data A, B, C. So that's non-duplicate, and then we put a duplicate one, which is A. Okay, so we have a duplicate data A and A. So the first way we can do to remove duplicate is by selecting all of this A, B, C, A, and then click on data, and then click on remove duplicate. It asks me to, is it column E that you want to remove duplicate? Yes, it's column E. So just click OK. One duplicate file is found and remove. Three unique values remain. OK. Now, as you can see, we have just removed the duplicates data. Okay. A, B, C, A. A is removed because we already have A before. Okay, that's the first way to solve this problem. And we're going to do the second way. Okay, so let's put the data again. We're going to put the duplicates again in here, A. And then the second way is if you don't want to remove it in here, remove the data from here and say you want to put it somewhere else, you can remove the data. You can remove the duplicate by doing this equal sign and then unique. All right, now after you put unique in it, you just select from A to A. Okay, A to A. Great, just like that, and then press enter. As you can see, now we just remove the last A from this column. So that's how you remove the duplicates in Excel. So that's all of it. If you have another question about it, if somehow it fails on your Microsoft Excel, somehow it doesn't work, or when you click the data, there is no remove duplicates on your application, you can ask me again. You can ask us again on the comment box. So just put it on the comment box. Maybe I can help you or our friends can help you. Just put it in the comment box. I think that'd be all. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in another tutorial. Bye bye.